Hello YouTubers, Jay here. I am going to teach you how to change your cab air filter on my diesel truck series. Now most of the time they're in the same spot, even though this is a Freighliner, most of the time you're going to find them in the same spot. So all you're going to need is, what size is this? A T30 torque socket, an extension, and a 3/8 ratchet. Now this is how I do this. See that right there? I'm going to put my foot there, and I'm going to put my hand there, and I'll lift myself up, and inside of here was the cabin air filter. You see the fasteners down there. Normally I use a nut driver, but for today's purposes I will use a ratchet. I'm going to start with my hand. It'll be two T30 fasteners. Normally I use an air ratchet or something for this, but I'm trying to show you guys that don't necessarily have that equipment how to do this. Okay. Take this out, you'll reach down in here and there'll be a tab. Pull up. Here's our old one. Pretty disgusting. I'm going to jump down. Dispose of that. And grab my new one, of course. Now you're going to be wanting to look for indicators on the sides. This has got the arrow. So the air is going to be going in that way. So that's the way you're going to want to do it. That's the airflow arrow. Put it in with the airflow arrow facing out and up. Push this back down in. Put this back on. Tighten up the two T30 fasteners and you're done. Like I sign off with, play with shit. Have a good day, night, or whenever you're watching this, and please click subscribe.